While courses are designed for structured training, playbooks act as your organization's internal knowledge base. To manage them, navigate to Learning and select Playbooks in the Admin Portal sidebar to view your Playbooks dashboard. To draft a new resource, click the blue New Playbook button in the top right corner. Give your playbook a clear name and a brief description of what it covers. Then click Create to generate the initial shell. This brings you to its management page. The default Overview tab acts as your quick reference dashboard, showing the total number of chapters, sections, and instructors at a glance. The Content tab is where you organize your playbook's hierarchy. You can build your outline by clicking Add Chapter, and then break those chapters down by clicking Add Section to create the individual pages for your documentation. Because playbooks often contain sensitive departmental information, the Access tab lets you control visibility. You can leave it open to all users or change the mode to Restricted and manually grant access to specific employees or entire groups. The Instructors tab allows you to delegate management. Click Add Instructor to give subject matter experts editing rights to this specific playbook without needing to grant them full admin privileges. Before launching, head to the Settings tab. Here, you can upload a custom cover thumbnail to make the playbook visually appealing. Then, scroll down to the playbook status, change it from Draft to Published, and click Save. Your playbook is now live on the dashboard. If you ever need to remove an outdated playbook, open it, go to its Settings tab, and scroll down to the Danger Zone. Click Delete Playbook. Type the exact name to confirm, and the document will be permanently removed from your workspace.